Hello friends, this side Professor Dr. Sanjay Raut here. I'm working as a Global CEO of Innovation Solution Lab. Innovation Solution Lab is working on the future disruptions, innovations, public policies, research development, and public infrastructures, and future business and social entrepreneurship, research fellowships, and other avenues throughout the globe. So, as we all are being affected due to these pandemic situations, and since from time to time we have the economy has been affected by various viruses, and it's create a pandemic situations which creates both positive and negative acceptance for different businesses and economy. So for that we are planned to release a book underneath of Innovation Solution Lab publication unit. The book name is Virus Economy Series 1. The book is being contributed by different global authors. So let's hear from them about their thought process, about their own views about the pandemic, and what are the opportunities, and what they see, and what they advise to the peoples due to the COVID-19 situation or in the pandemic situations. What are the new avenues are being created for businesses and for economical growth and other initiatives. And the book is available throughout the globe in all formats: audiobook, textbook, and ebook, and it is available throughout in different global stores. So thanking you all. Stay connected, keep happy, and stay safe.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Raj and I work as a software engineer in an MNC in Hyderabad. Virus Economy has been my first ever book publication in which my contribution is a chapter called The Inimical Effects of Viruses on Trade in the History of Mankind. My primary focus in this chapter is on trade because when trade is hampered, communication between nations is lost and nations could not have communicated much well with each other when there was no advanced technology. I really want to thank Innovation Solutions Lab for giving me this opportunity and having made me a published author. I request you all, my friends, to read this book and give your valuable feedback. Happy reading!
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Raheja. Currently, I'm working as PGT Economics with GD Goenka Public School, Delhi. And I'm glad to share with you that the first edition of book Virus Economy is out now. This book covers articles on various sectors that were affected due to COVID-19. Articles are penned down by researchers who are specialists in their own field and they are worth reading. I'm also glad to share with you that my article, which has been co-authored with my student Stuti Sarya on consistent blue chip stocks of India during COVID-19, has also been published in this book. And I'm thankful to Innovation Solution Lab for giving us a chance to get our article published in this book. Also, thanks to Dr. Sanjay for giving us this opportunity. Go grab your copies now. Both paperback as well as online edition is available and it's out for sale now. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab your edition now. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Omola Adam Solatayo. I am a public health expert. I wrote a chapter page titled The Global Economic Impact of the Pandemic on Public Healthcare Infrastructure Globally, which was published in the recently launched book titled Virus Economy Series 1. This chapter describes the challenges currently faced by healthcare infrastructure globally, the policy framework as well as the budgetary deficit, and so many other things were discussed in this chapter. The book Virus Economy is available in ebook and paperback formats in all global leading stores. I want to encourage you to lay your hands on a copy, and it is highly educative and informative. You will learn so many things about different aspects that is being affected by this COVID-19 pandemic. I want to specially appreciate and acknowledge the effort of Professor Sanjay, the chairman of Innovation Solution Lab Publication House, for giving me this golden opportunity to be part of this historic making. The team of the publication, ISL, are professionals and friendly, and they are highly dedicated. They are up to time, they are focused. I personally had a very cordial relationship with ISL in publishing some of my books. I recommend ISL say to all authors and aspiring authors, I wish you all the best, good luck, and keep safe. Bye.
This is Birendra Rai from India, as currently pursuing my bachelor course on sociology from Indira Gandhi National Open Universities. As I am globally recognized environmental and climate activist, which I am working for finding solutions for climate crisis, working for conservation of environment and other. I am so thankful about Innovation Solution Lab publication house for accepting my chapter for the virus economy, which is series 1 book for this currently appearing in our world. As my theme was on the basis of civil societies, as civil societies work for combating economy or a virus or COVID-19. My theme was to sign up many workers who are working in forefront as NGOs, police, doctors, and other. So my theme was to highlight them as how they are working for this COVID-19 or combating it for the nations or other for the world. So yeah, it was really great to have my chapter on virus economy series 1 book. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ahmed Ali Warda. I am from Egypt. I am studying biochemistry and chemistry at the Faculty of Science, Damanhur University. I am very proud now to see I'm ready to announce the launch of the first edit of Virus Economic book, Kinemo book. I write a chapter on it about poliovirus and how its vaccinations developed over history and how it affects nations and the economy, and how thanks to this vaccination a lot of people now are safe, are able to work, are able to speak, are able to work, and how they affect economic over the world. Thanks for Innovation Solution publication. I am very proud to work with them. I think all of my friends, all of people must read this book. It's a wonderful and rich of information, and it's critical. Describe how viruses now are characterized or form or affect our days and our history and our economy. And thank you very much.